Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add tags on your YouTube video. Let's start this tutorial by going to YouTube website on your computer and log into your account. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right corner. In the pop-up, select YouTube Studio. You can add tags to your videos that have already been uploaded or while uploading them. So if you're going to do it while uploading them, then do this one. Click on the Create button on the top right. Next, select Upload Videos in the pop-up menu. Now, you can drag and drop video files to upload or you can select files manually. But for now, let's just drag this video right here. After that, enter the file for your video, add your description, and other information that you want. Now, scroll down and click on Show More button. Next, navigate to the Tags section. It says here that tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. You can add tags that are related to the video that you will upload. You have up to 500 characters. After adding your tags, then click on Next and complete the upload process. If you wish to add tags on your uploaded video, then go to Content section on the left side panel. Next, find the video that you want to add tags, then click on it. Now scroll down and click on Show More. And go to Tags section and there you can start adding them. After that, click on the Save button above. That's about it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!